In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use task types in Clickup. Task types in Clickup are a powerful way to keep your workspace organized and tailor your tasks to fit your team's specific needs, whether you're managing bugs, reviews, or any other kind of work. Setting up task types ensures clarity and consistency across your projects. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create, customize, and apply task types to streamline your workflow and keep everything running smoothly. Let's dive right in. To get started, open your Clickup dashboard. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile avatar. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From there, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you'll find a variety of options to customize your workspace. Next, locate the Task Types option in the sidebar, or the settings list. Once you find it, click on it to access the Task Types settings. On this page, you'll see the option to create a new task type. Simply click the Create New Task Type button to get started. Now, you'll be prompted to define the details for your new task type. First, enter a singular name for the task type. For example, you might call it Bug or Review, depending on the type of task you want to create. Then, input the plural form of the name. This could be Bugs or Reviews. These names will help you and your team clearly identify the task type throughout your workspace. After naming your task type, write a short description to clarify its purpose. This is especially helpful for teams as it ensures everyone understands when and how to use the specific task type. Once you've entered all the details, click the Create Task Type button to save your new task type. With your task type created, it's time to put it to use. Open a project where you'd like to apply this new task type. In the project view, locate the three dots icon in the Project Options menu and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Default Task Types. This allows you to choose which task type will be the default for this project, ensuring consistency across all tasks created within the project. From here, you can also individually change the task type for any specific task. Simply click on a task, and then select the task type that best fits the nature of that task from the available options. This flexibility ensures that each task is categorized appropriately, even if it deviates from the project's default task type. Finally, remember to adjust task types as needed to maintain organization and clarity as your projects evolve. Task types are a dynamic tool, so don't hesitate to refine them to better fit your workflow over time. If you don't already have a Clickup account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start organizing your projects today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.